Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today I have a special box. I have another carnivorous unboxing. This time it's a different company, a company from Texas, and I'm so excited. It's very close. It's a 2-hour drive in Austin. We're talking about the one and only Carnivero. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I ordered some new carnivorous plants. These are new, but before I show you what I bought, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you guys already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, you guys, let's find out which carnivorous plants I got from Carnivero. So I was looking on Facebook and I added some new carnivorous plant groups. I was trying to find out which websites were good. As y'all saw in my last video, if y'all remember, rainbow carnivorous plants, I definitely recommend for pinguiculas. But this time I was looking for specific carnivorous plants. I'm talking about Nepenthes, pitcher plants, however you guys want to call them, the tropical ones. Oh my God, I was always fascinated by Nepenthes because they're like little jugs and then the insects go inside, and some of them even eat live rats, like rats. Oh my God, isn't that crazy? Well, everybody suggested Carnivero, and I've heard of Carnivero in the past because they also sell houseplants. As y'all know, I love me a plant. With that being said, I made an order from Carnivero. I purchased 2 carnivorous plants and some substrates. So, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Nepenthes, I fell in love with the rare ones. Of course, I wanted the not variegated, but for Nepenthes, like what's trending on there, what everybody likes are like the striped like mouths, I guess. The part of the mouth or the neck, I don't know what it's considered. I think it's like the mouth. I don't know. Everybody looks for a striped mouth. That's what I'm calling it, a striped mouth. And everybody wants the little tub looking Nepenthes, and everybody wants pink. Well, at least I do. So I went for pink ones and stripy ones, very like vibrant colors. So that's a hint of what I got. With Nepenthes, specifically with Carnivero, they go from sizes from extra small, small, medium, and large. And extra small is the more affordable way to go. Most of these are either tissue culture or seed grown, so they're gonna be really small and you have to grow them out. So you're gonna have to do some research if you wanna buy from companies like this, if you want the rare ones. Of course, they have other like more non-rare ones, more affordable ones that are already grown out. But I like a challenge, and I feel like I have some experience with houseplants, and I have in a kid greenhouse, which the humidity stays from 97% to 100 sometimes. Carnivero, here we go. I think it goes this way. I'm not gonna show you my address. I literally got a knife because I wanna unbox it. It came here today. Today is Friday. I placed my order, I believe, last week on, I think it was Thursday or Friday, but they didn't ship it. Like, I think they shipped it 2 days ago. I'm gonna have to look up on my phone. But yeah, shipping didn't take long because it's coming from Austin and I'm in Dallas. So yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, you guys, so we get their business card, Carnivero, have Monstera, the Monstera tie actually, Monstera tie, and you got Nepenthes, and you got their little like tribal little more Aztec looking design, so that's pretty cool. And it has their website, their phone number, their email, so yeah. And here I got my invoice. So I ordered, like I said, I ordered 2 substrates and 2 Nepenthes. It's covered with these little nuggets. So I'm not gonna try to make a mess. Okay, you guys, so I got some live sphagnum moss, and this is really cute. It comes in little squares. So I have regular moss, and I was fascinated by live moss. So this I can grow. So with moss, you either have dry, dead one, or you have live one. And usually the one that comes in the packs is dead already. So you're gonna have to find live moss. I don't know if you can, I have some moss that I'm trying to grow from dead moss, but it's not working. So I went ahead and ordered some live moss because I love the look of it. It's green, it looks like grass. And when you put it on top of the plant, it looks so good. So I ordered 2. This one came in a little damaged right there because they're supposed to be little squares, but they gave me the patch right there. So it's all good. Oh. Taped it, so I like that they taped it, and it's right here. So the first Nepenthes I got is the Nepenthes VEITCHII Barrio. So this one's definitely popular. A lot of hybrids are made with the Nepenthes Barrio. I feel like this is gonna be really messy. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I like that they have the little tag. I know where it came from and what it is, the Nepenthes Barrio. But this is definitely a lot of tape, you guys. So with these, you're kind of taking a risk. This is supposed to be striped. If you get lucky, sometimes some don't come striped, some do. So hopefully I get a striped one. Because like I said, people love the stripiness. Oh, I'm actually opening it backwards, you guys. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh my god, guys, this is so much tape, but at least we know that the plant is secure in here. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Look at it. She's so cute. She's so cute. And I see variegation. Look at it, it has stripes. I'm so excited, you guys. Look at the stripes. I'm so happy because this is a more like grown out Nepenthes. I believe this was the small. Let me see on my invoice, because this was a little more expensive. Yeah, I got the small. I got the small randomly selected. This is a clone. It says it's unpotted, but I mean, it looks potted to me. This is the Nepenthes VEITCHII Barrio, and it is the BE3734. Oh my god, you guys. I'm so in love with this picture. It's striped. The other ones are not striped. That one's striped. I'm so excited. Yeah, I can't wait. And I feel like it has a new one coming in. So, and it's pink. It's pink on the inside, you guys. That's what I wanted. I wanted a pink one. I believe the Barrio come in like either pink or lime green, and I'm a girly girl, so I definitely wanted a pink one. And this one has, I think it has both. It has like pink and like lime green, so I'm so excited. It's not your regular Nepenthes that you get for $15 to $20 at your local Home Depot or Walmart. These are more rarer ones, and this one was, I think it was like $40. So yeah, you guys. Oh my god. So that's the first one. I love it. It has a striping. Look at that. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my god. Thank you, Carnivero. This is exactly what I wanted. But now for the best part. This is why I put the order. Oh my god. This one's definitely unpotted. I wanted this one. Oh my god, I'm not gonna look at it. I'm gonna look at it with you guys. I wanted this one because this one is exactly what I wanted with the color. And again, it has the striping. And oh my god, I just gotta show you. So the next Nepenthes is the Big Mama times Candy Cane. Oh my god, and it's supposed to be pink with stripes, like very, very vibrant pink. This one's very small. You can't tell if it's striped yet. It's very pink. I love the color. It's like a very, very bright pink. I'm not gonna take it out of the baggie yet. I might show y'all a close-up later because this is just me unboxing and freeing the box. So yeah, you guys, there she is. So she's like half pink and green right now. She's a baby. I love her. She has 4 little pictures too. This one has 3 and this one has 4. So hopefully this one has striping. If not, at least I have one that already has striping, so I'm very happy with my order. Carnivero, thank you. The packaging was beautiful, like everything was so secure. And you guys, that was my unboxing. Let me know if you guys want updates or if you guys want me to pot this with you. I probably will. But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. My name is Melina, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, guys.